Everybody, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Talking with Tonio, where I discuss everything digital. And listen, your boy is excited because I'm going to the Metaverse, okay? Yes, I'm going to the Metaverse.
We going to the ship, what? We going to the ship, what?
I'm going to my first NFT gallery. So I'm definitely excited to see, what the Metaverse is gonna look like, what this gallery is gonna look like. So I'm excited, but you know what? Your boy, I don't think I'm dressed appropriately. Give me 1 second. Your boy feel expensive. Now we can spend some money. Honestly, my girl should have never bought me this robe because she already knew I was gonna use it for my YouTube videos. She already knew that. But let's get into the video. All right, you guys, so your boy just landed in the Metaverse, okay? Now, the Metaverse that I'm in is called Decentraland. You probably have heard about it on the news because someone just bought real estate in Decentraland for $2.4 million, and I referenced that in a video before. But look at me in the Metaverse. Look at that swag. Get out the way, man. They're all in the way. Look at me. Look at my avatar. Drip Lord. Yeah, I haven't did anything with my avatar yet. Like, I don't have no swag. I've seen a couple of people in here. Their fits is crazy, but there's a lot of people right here in this plaza right now. I'm wondering what's going on. Oh, don't jump. What you doing? Oh, you jumping in the hole? Why? What's happening? Why everybody jumping in the water, bro? What's going on? Okay, that's here nor there. But let's try to figure out how we can get to the gallery. The cool thing about Decentraland is they have a lot of events, you guys. So there's a lot of things that you can check out. There's a lot of free games, NFTs that you can win. So I would definitely recommend that you check out Decentraland. But let's make it to the gallery. Let's try to find one. Shout out to Quiznos. Let's try to find one. I found one before. Okay, let's go. OpenSea Gallery. Boom. Created by James Austin. So we are outside the gallery. Okay, I see the little ship. Okay, what's out here? Pirates Bounty. Ain't nothing out here for real. Okay. Pirate Party. Oh, so we can throw parties in the Metaverse? Okay. I feel you. OpenSea. Okay. Ain't nothing out here. Okay, well, let's just go in. All right. So here is Josie. Let's look at her art. Yo, some of these pieces are super dope. And the cool thing about the Metaverse is you can react to the art. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these pieces in the comments down below. Do you like them? Would you buy them as NFTs? Yo, let's see here. So I think this piece is dope. Interact. Woo, it's worth 85 ETH. Oh no. Yo, what is that? I think Ethereum is like 4,000 right now. But what is the math? What is the math on that? Cause 85 ETH, smoking crack. Hey man, people are paying it though. But I mean, the art is clean. Don't get me wrong. But 85 ETH, I don't know about that, my baby. I don't know if I could do that one. I know I got the robe on, but I was just kidding. 85 ETH, woo! This is fire. Not for sale. I respect that. I respect that. This is hard too. We are Satoshi. I don't know what that means. Okay. 85 ETH. Man, you tripping. Yo, this is clean. That's clean too. How much is this one? Not for sale. I respect that. Last sold for 9 ETH. Okay, that's respectable. All right, who is this artist? Toa. Hey, this is dope. Yo, this is dope. I really like this art too. How much is this piece? 50 ETH. Okay, not 85. That's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. Yeah, I've never heard of these artists though either though. That's super dope. Like, think about building like your own home in the metaverse and then being able to showcase it here. Like, you know what I mean? Like have your own art gallery with your NFTs. All right, so let's check out async art. I don't really get this one. This just look like dots going across the. All right, let's see how much this is. See how much async art is. Oh, so you're not going low? You can't do this. Not to me. All right, bro. So you must not want to sell your pieces. That's okay. You ain't trying to make no bread. All right, let's go to Diego Rodriguez. All right, what is hitting on Rodriguez? Oh, this clean. Yo, this art is fire. His art is fire. I'm not gonna hold you. Rodrigo, you see this video for whatever reason, bro, I rock with you, my boy. This is fire. I'm not gonna even hold you. How much you want for this? Not for sale. Okay, I respect that. Let me back it up then. Let me get off your, you know what I'm saying? Let me get off your NFT. Put some respect. How much this is? Not for sale. Okay, all right. You got anything for sale, my boy? What's going on? All right, okay, this one is cool. This is a vibe. Not for sale. All right, bro. You were just something else. You just don't want me to spend no Ethereum, huh? Nah, but I like this collection though. This is, again, let me know in the comments down below. What is your favorite collection thus far? Because this is actually really dope. This is actually a big spot too. There's like a lot of, okay, I might need to speed this up. I don't want this video to be too long. Oh, we found somebody. What's up? DC number 3087. What's up, cuz? Talk to me. What it do? So you don't want to talk? You don't trying to say nothing to you? All right. I don't know how they work. All right. Either way, he don't want to talk to me. Joy World X. Okay. This is different. This is cool. I like this. This is not bad. It's not bad. Not bad. Loop bomb. Okay, hold on. Yeah, this is clean. I like this. I like this. How much does this go for? 1 Ethereum. Okay, I like that. That's more like it. That's still outside my price range, but you know, that's better. Yeah, that's clean. I like that. That's clean. Nobody's over there. Who is you? Hakato X. Okay, you back. We seen your art already. The little ASIC. Bro, I just want to know how much your prices is, man. ASIC art guy, cause you ain't got nothing on there. So if you are an artist, they still have some spaces over here that you can use. So Diego D2. Okay, do you have any other pieces? Nope, same ones. Same ones from Josie. Okay. Josie again, more Josie. Oh, this is a different piece. Okay, that's pretty fire. That's pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie. Diego, one more time. All right, cool. Open sea drops. Okay, what that mean? Okay, I'm gonna go in there. Oh. Yo, what is this? Oh, Coca-Cola got an ad in here? Yo, this is dope. Okay, so the marketer in me, like, really loves this, dog. So Coke has an ad in the metaverse, and they're gonna show like all the things bubble jackets, NFTs. Yo, that's pretty fire. Yo, listen. I'm gonna do some like advertising, how to advertise in the metaverse. But this is dope. This is dope. Do you guys see this? Yo, that's crazy. But all right, you guys, that is it for the video. Let me know what was your favorite piece in the art gallery. We saw a lot of good artists. And I definitely hope if they see this video or if this gets views, that hopefully they make some sales with people with deep pockets with 85 Ethereum. Cause your boy, you know what I'm saying? I got the robe on, but it's tough. I can't be spending no 85 Ethereum. But if you like this video, I can do another one if you want me to do another part. Maybe go to the casino. There's like a lot of things in the metaverse that you can do. If you want me to show it, I got y'all. Until next time, be easy.